Alright guys, just another quick video due to request. Someone asked about, how you cook and do stuff in the kitchen. And it really made me think of something instantly. It was this tray. I use it a lot. It's just a, breakfast in bed type tray. I really don't ever use the legs. I just keep them folded. I keep in my lap. So, you can go to your dishwasher, load it. I go from the sink to the dishwasher and I have a lap full of clean cups. I'll take the clean cups over here and put them in my cup cupboard. Or, I could take some ingredients and move them around. Or I can take, a plate of dinner or a tray to my bedroom and eat in bed without it falling on the way there, and I can use both hands to push. Or another important one would be, let me back up here so you can see. When you're cooking stovetop stuff, which I don't do often because I hate cleaning it all up, but when you have a hot pan or a pot, and say you're making pasta, you're gonna fill the bowl of hot water up, boil the pasta, and then you gotta drain it. How do I hold a hot, full thing of water and get to the sink without setting it in my lap? You can have, a towel and a metal thing that you can set on, for a few seconds, something that would be able to withstand the heat. But this is a very helpful tool that I use for a lot of things, even to get laundry done, move, big items that wouldn't stay in my lap. So hopefully this helped. Please like and subscribe and give me some more suggestions.